We now have a clear idea of the design of the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro, thanks to the leaked images of a full set of machine blanked of the 4 models of the iPhone. Recently, we have received a glimpse of 4 production models along with the new colors that will be introduced with this year's iPhone. The new images shared by longtime Apple leaker Sonny Dixon provide our best look at the rear of the upcoming iPhone 16 models: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. It seems that the new capture button won't be featured on all of this year's models. This button is supposed to work as a focus and shutter button for the camera app, and it uses capacitive technology. Apple introduced the user-definable action button last year, which was only available on the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, this year the action button will be available on all 4 models. 3 of the 7 color options for the upcoming iPhone are now visible. These include the classic black, which Apple often refers to as space gray, as well as 2 pastel shades of pink and violet. The current iPhone 15 model is available in black, blue, green, pink, and yellow. Violet will be a new addition to the color options. Additionally, white will be also introduced as a new color, bringing the total number of colors to 7. And if you want to know everything about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a and see the new leaked images, watch this video afterwards. Please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video, and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.